Hey, what's going on, guys? Okay, so here I am. I'm back again, and Prime Day was yesterday, and I needed some type of deck lighting control. I bought some deck lights last week, and I put them in a week or so ago, and my timer that I use on the deck died. So looked around and I decided, you know what, I'm not going to get the same kind of old timer I had, which was more of a bracketing timer. I would set it for 8 o'clock to 11 every day. Lights would come on, lights would go off. It was fine, it was reliable. It lasted for about 3 or 4 years outside and it died. So I said, let me see, what's around? It's Prime Day, and I found this by TP-Link. Kasa Smart also makes it together, I guess, with TP-Link. This is the KP405. This has two outlets, so it can control two different outside lightings, I guess if you want to say, if you needed more than just one. I'm not sure if they make it in a 4-unit one or four plugs, but the one I bought is a 2-plug, and that's all I need. My deck's not that big, 20 feet by 15. So one continuous light for the bottom row, and that's all I need. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what they gave us, and then I will configure it and show you what happened. It should be pretty easy, so stick around and let's get to it. All right, the TP-Link KP405. Let's open box it. All right, here we go with TP-Link, the Kasa Smart Wi-Fi outdoor dimmer. So this does work on incandescent and LEDs. That was important to remember, to purchase something that can do it all. So let's open it up. I guess for a mounting, if you want to mount on the wall. Waterproof tips. What's the tip? Oh yeah, keep the socket down, obviously. Keep the socket covered. Yeah, of course. So install the app. Press the plus button to connect to the app. Smart plugs, okay. Simply follow instructions. Should be easy. Oh, it's tiny. I was expecting something. Whoa, it is tiny. I mean, my last plug must have been about that big and that thick. It was a big sucker. Oh, I apologize. Only one outlet. I thought it was 2. That's fine. I don't need more than one. That's actually better because it's really small. There's the KP405. Kasa Smart Wi-Fi outdoor plug-in dimmer. That's a lot of words there. That's it. One button there to connect once I connect. Easy. All right, let's connect it and see what we get. All right, guys, download the app and create an account. I've already created mine. I skip this. I hit maybe later. We're going to select your location. I'm in the United States. We're going to hit next. I hit continue for terms of use. Check all the boxes, hit done. We're going to select the button on top, the plus sign. So once you push that, the list will come up, and then we're going to select the outdoor plug. Device, we look for outdoor. There it is. Smart plug outdoor under S. Hit next, plug it in. Now we're just going to follow the instructions of the app. So once you plug it in, it'll have an orange, flash orange and green. So push the button. And now you're going to allow it to connect. It'll then sync up to the current Wi-Fi. You're going to connect it. And you're going to have to ask for the password once you select the Wi-Fi network that you want. Mine is called Internet to make it easy. I passed it. I'm going to block out the password. You won't see my password. And we jump over. I'm going to name my device, or name your device. And I'm just going to call it simply out deck lights. Easy. I'm not going to use a customized icon. What for? You can test it out if you like. I don't have my lights plugged in yet, so I'm going to skip that. And that's it. We're connected. Easy. Really easy. All right, guys, we're all set. If I push the button, lights come on. If I push the button, lights go off. So easy. I'll make a schedule, but that's basically it. Or I can have a timer. This is great. No more of the old style. This is fantastic. Really like it. All right, guys, highly recommend it. It's totally worth it. I'll see you in the next one.